Finally, they succeeded in creating a comfortable short-sleeve t-shirt suitable for everyday wear. The entire manufacturing process is almost fully automated, with very little human intervention. The process begins with machines automatically sorting discarded plastic bottles. The bottle caps and labels are removed, and the bottles are then thoroughly washed using high-pressure water to eliminate dirt and other impurities. After drying, the bottles are shredded into small, transparent plastic flakes. These plastic flakes are melted and purified at high temperatures. Once the impurities are filtered out, the molten plastic is extruded through a precision spinneret to create ultra-fine fibers, thinner than a human hair. The fibers are then cooled, stretched, and strengthened. Next, the fibers are spun into yarn and woven into fabric using advanced weaving machines. The fabric is softened, heat set to maintain its shape, and then cut and stitched into a finished garment. The result is a smooth, lightweight, and breathable t-shirt. Producing one adult short-sleeve t-shirt typically requires recycling about 5 to 8 500 milliliters plastic bottles. The finished fabric is shrink-resistant and feels just as comfortable as ordinary synthetic fiber clothing. This process gives a second life to plastic waste that would otherwise take hundreds of years to decompose, helping reduce environmental pollution and waste. If you've seen other creative examples of turning waste materials into useful products, feel free to share them in the comments. The video is short, so please watch it until the end.